Are you tired of guessing how much salt or spices to add to your dishes? Introducing the COMPAC Home Salt and Spice Dispenser. This handy kitchen tool is designed to help you dispense proper portions of salt and spices, making your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. With a capacity of 4 ounces, this dispenser can hold a generous amount of salt and your favorite spices, keeping them fresh and ready to enhance the flavors of your dishes. No more searching through cluttered spice cabinets or dealing with messy spillage. Not only does the salt and spice dispenser provide convenient storage, but it is also microwave safe and top-rack dishwasher safe. This means you can heat up your dishes without worrying about transferring the spices to another container. Cleaning up is a breeze too. The dispenser is made of high-quality, BPA-free plastic, ensuring that your food remains safe and healthy. The clear bottle allows you to easily see the contents inside, while the white color lid adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Measuring at just 2.3 inches in length, 2.3 inches in width, and 3.7 inches in height, this compact dispenser won't take up much space in your kitchen. It weighs only 0.8 ounces, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The salt and spice dispenser is manufactured by COMPAC Industries, a trusted brand in the industry. It is built to last, providing you with long-lasting functionality and durability. This dispenser comes with a short link, so you can quickly and conveniently purchase it on Amazon. Just click on the link provided in the description to get your hands on this fantastic kitchen tool. In conclusion, the COMPAC Home Salt and Spice Dispenser is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It helps you store and dispense salt and spices with ease, ensuring that your dishes are seasoned to perfection. Don't settle for guesswork in your cooking. Get your salt and spice dispenser today and elevate your culinary experience.